Ready to ditch the repetitive tasks and unlock peak efficiency with Wati automation. First, navigate to the automation section in your Wati dashboard, which might also be labeled workflows depending on your Wati version. This is your central command hub for automating everything. Now, explore the template library. See those pre-designed automation flows for welcome messages, appointment scheduling, or even gathering customer feedback. They're designed to be plug and play. Let's dive into the welcome message template. For example, you can fully customize the greeting, add personalized details like the customer's name, and define how long after they initiate contact this message should automatically send. Adding actions is as simple as dragging and dropping elements. Want to automatically add new contacts to a specific customer list after sending the welcome message? Just drag the Add to List action into the sequence. Want to tailor the automation based on customer responses? Use if-then logic. For example, if a customer responds with help, trigger a different workflow that connects them to a live agent. Before unleashing your automation, thoroughly test it. Use the testing features within Wati to simulate interactions and ensure your workflow functions exactly as you intend. Once you are satisfied, simply activate. Optimize. Wati's Analytics dashboard allows you to track the performance of your automation, see which messages are most effective, identify areas for improvement, and fine-tune your workflows for even better results. And that's it. You're now equipped to create powerful automations with Wati templates and start working smarter, not harder.